The keto market. In this video, we'll show you how to make a delicious and healthy diet pizza that's perfect for anyone following a keto diet or looking to cut back on carbs. We'll also provide you with a week-long keto diet plan that's easy to follow and will help you achieve your weight loss goals. So, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and recipes for healthy eating and weight loss. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy diet pizza that's perfect for anyone following a keto diet or looking to cut back on carbs. We'll also provide you with a week-long keto diet plan that's easy to follow and will help you achieve your weight loss goals. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our latest videos. How to make a diet pizza. First, let's start with the ingredients for the pizza crust. 1 cup almond flour. 2 eggs. 3 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 4 1/4 of a teaspoon garlic powder. 5 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. Mix all of the ingredients together in a bowl until well combined. Then, spread the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's add the toppings. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. 2 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. 3 1/4 cup sliced pepperoni. 4 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers. Spread the tomato sauce onto the crust, then sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Add the pepperoni and bell peppers, and bake in the oven for another 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Keto diet plan for a week. Now that we've made our delicious diet pizza, let's talk about how to plan a keto diet for a week. Here's a sample meal plan. Saturday breakfast. Breakfast sandwich with sausage and cheese. 2 lunch. Turkey and avocado lettuce wraps. 3 dinner. Grilled pork chops with green beans and almonds. Sunday breakfast. Coconut flour waffles with berries and cream cheese. 2 lunch. Cobb salad with grilled chicken. Dinner. Garlic butter steak bites with roasted cauliflower. Monday breakfast. Avocado and egg salad. 2 lunch. Grilled chicken salad. 3 dinner. Zucchini noodles with meatballs. Tuesday breakfast. Keto smoothie with berries and coconut milk. 2 lunch. Greek salad with grilled shrimp. 3 dinner. Baked salmon with broccoli and cauliflower. Wednesday breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. 2 lunch. Taco salad with ground beef and avocado. 3 dinner. Grilled steak with asparagus and mushroom sauce. Thursday breakfast. Keto omelet with bacon and cheese. 2 lunch. Grilled chicken and veggie skewers. 3 dinner. Creamy garlic shrimp with zucchini noodles. Friday breakfast. Almond flour pancakes with berries and whipped cream. 2 lunch. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. 3 dinner. Baked chicken thighs with roasted Brussels sprouts. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy diet pizza.